Mutwe is in a very terrible situation. He is rotting away. All his wounds are almost fresh. He's in prison. He was sent to prison instead of being sent to the hospital. So we request all Ugandans of goodwill in Uganda and international to demand for the immediate release of Eddie Mutwe so he can get specialized treatment. We saw him, he was tortured very badly. He was tortured for 3 days, and on the third day, Muhoozi Kainerugaba came himself personally and beat him, tortured him, and his men tortured Eddie Mutwe in the presence of Muhoozi, forcing him to land Nyankole. He was electrocuted, he was waterboarded, and so many other terrible things happened to him, which I hope if he comes out alive, we'll be able to personally narrate to you. Thank you. Yes, he was forced to salute Museveni's picture every day. He was stripped naked, and later on, when he was given a piece of cloth, he was only given a Museveni t-shirt. The rest, he will, about the journalists, yesterday we came out and made public a list of journalists that were used to bring bogus charges against our brothers so that the regime can find an excuse to keep them in jail. Among them, there was a name that was mistakenly included there, that is Gertrude Mutyaba of NTV. I want to clarify that she was mistakenly put on that list. I also want to thank the journalists that have come out to distance themselves from this mess after realizing that they were being used. I request the rest to come out and disassociate themselves with this brutality, with this torture. They should know we are not enemies. The enemy is one. The one that is oppressing us is the one that is oppressing journalists. So we need to stand as brothers or perish as fools. Thank you very much.